Hey, welcome to Surfside Endless Summer. All the way around Endless Summer Surfside. We are staying in room 1617. So I've just not looked at the minute, but you use your key card tap in, and then when you come in, I'm gonna stand at the door and show you. So you've got a huge space here when you come in. It doesn't look that big, but it's a really big space. We've just put one of our little cases there for now. So we have been storing our suitcases there because it's a really great space. And then on the other side, you've got your full length mirror. But what's really good, I just left that there to show you, is we've been like hanging our little hats on there. You could hang your raincoats up. So there's like 4 hooks, which I think is really good. Then as we continue in, you've got your full wardrobe. I never know what these are. If anybody knows what this is, please let me know, because I'm always confused as to what that actually is. So you've got ironing board, iron. We have plenty full of hangers, to be honest, and you've even got the clip ones, so you can clip your pants on and stuff. Safe. It's not huge, but we managed to fit. That hanger does not want to stay on there. Not huge, I managed to fit everything. So you just basically create your own 4-digit code, and that's your code for every time you close and open the safe. Then up here we had extra pillows, so I used one, but there was another extra pillow in there. And then what's really good about this wardrobe is you've got like a little pulley cotton kind of cover across it, which I just think is really nice. So you can just like cover up your clothes like that. So it's kind of a bit more, blended in with the theming. Got your air conditioning mode here. So you can obviously go up or down, depending on how warm or cool you want it to be. I'm trying to leave it as I had it, so it's not changing it massively. We've got our interconnecting door, and where the interconnecting door is, we've got loads of space as well. So this is where we have most of our cases, because we're not using the interconnecting door. So we just used to fill that space with our suitcases, and then any spare we just put over that side. But if you didn't have an interconnecting door, you could use a space over that side. Or what I even did was I even just put some of the hand luggage cases in the bottom of the wardrobe here. It's just because we're packed up ready to leave at the minute that we've not got them in there, but we did put some hand luggage cases in the bottom of there. Then you've got 2, I don't know what size beds they are, queen size beds. So these, but I've made them as best as I can this morning to show you. And then you've got some lovely pictures, so it really is a lovely, lovely room, this. So you've got your 2 full beds. In the middle you've got this chest. This doesn't open though. I thought it might have opened for extra storage, but it's good just to put like things on at night time. And you've got your little shelf here with your alarm. You've got your USB plug, so I'm just charging my watch at the moment. But it's really good for storage at night time to put like your glasses. I had glasses on, we had a drink, we've had bits of stuff stored on there. And you've got these really cool lights above the bed, which is good because when you're in bed, you can just pull them to turn them on and off. So each bed has one. So you just literally pull a little ring when you're lying in bed, which is really good. The pictures are so cool as well. Then opposite the chest down here, we have all the cabinets and TV, which is really good. Some more storage. So you've got a fridge here, which is a full fridge. So you've got 2 shelves there, 2 drawer things, you've got a shelf there. So we managed to fit quite a bit in the fridge. You've got all your coffee facilities. So what I did was, we don't drink coffee. So we put a tea bag in this little tub there. Just put the water around it, ran through, and it just did a cup of tea for us. But you do have coffee. There is no tea bags at all, it is just coffee. And then you've got like condiments here. We have actually opened these condiments. I think it's like your coffee sugars and your creamers and things like that. And you've got an ice bucket. There is an ice station at the end of each corridor. You've got more USB plugs, and then this little switch is meant to turn on this light here above the... Oh, it works, finally. We've not had that working the whole time we've been here, just managed to get it working. So it says eat, sleep, sir, which is just here again near your cabinet, which is really funky. You can just turn that little light on and off. And then you've got TV, a phone. We've used this phone quite a lot of times to ring my mum because she's in another room, so you can just ring room to room. So you just have to press 77 and their room number, and it works really well. You can do it on the handset here. Oh yes, you have to press talk as well. So you have to press talk, 77, and then that person's room number. Then you've got a bin under here. We thought this was storage, but it's not. But you can we've just been pulling it out like this and then using it to sit at the desk there. So Matilda sometimes sat there when she was having her breakfast, because we bought cereal from Walgreens and stuff like that. So it was really nice just to sit on that. It's nice and comfy. Then you've got 3 big drawers here, all the same size. So you've got 3 nice drawers. So we put like our underwear in here, swimming costumes and shorts, and then I just hung all the tops and stuff up. But that just tucks nicely back underneath there. And you've got a really nice chair here as well, which is really cosy. And you've got a lamp as well. Oh no! Good job I just found this person hanging on the floor, otherwise we would not have been happy. I've just found Harry Potter hiding. I'm just checking there's nobody else there now. You've got a big lamp here, so the button's just on there, which turns the lamp on and off. So and then we've got a pool view. So because we've got a pool view, we're looking right out here. Now, I would not recommend a pool view at all unless you're on a much higher floor. I mean, we're on floor 6, and it only goes up to 9. But the music around the pool is so loud. And when you're at the pool, it isn't even that loud, but the speakers are like around this perimeter here. So because they're around the perimeter and like in the trees, it's really high up close to your room, whereas you think they would just have them at the sandbar over there, but they don't, so it's really loud. So if you want to come back like in the day and have a sleep or something, and also it goes on till like 10 o'clock at night, so it's really, really loud. But then for the curtains, you've got a full blackout curtain like that. I'm not going to do both sides because you won't be able to see anything. Then you've got the little nice voile that goes over the top, so it makes it look like that beachy beam. Or you can just pull the little voile over like that. You wanted a bit of privacy, but you still wanted to see outside. So this is, again, you can see, sorry, we've got Ant in the room now and all the luggage and everything, making a mess. And Matilda.
Also, I really want to say something about, so if you have a pool view on the first floor, if you're offered that upgrade, don't take it because they're around the perimeter, as we said.
Yeah, we just said that. So my mum got offered an upgrade of a pool room, but she's one below us and hers is even louder than ours. So again, it's really nice here. Also, underneath here, I didn't think there was any storage. Oh, we've just left we've got a clip under there. So this is not very good. Matilda and Daddy, who I told to check the beds, have not checked very well. So under there, you can actually store your suitcases. So it's not full under the bed storage, because if you look down the side there, it looks like you can't fit anything down there, and that's what I had the problem with. I thought you couldn't fit anything at first, and that's why we were storing all the cases over there. But then I realised that you can actually fit them underneath the bed there, which is a really good size. Then coming back to opposite the wardrobe is your toilet area. So you've got another mirror again, you've got a spotlight, you've got a hairdryer which is already plugged into the wall, then you've got more USB, you've got hand soap, nice box of tissue, sink, towels, then you've got a double shelf. We didn't actually use these shelves, but you've got a shelf for towels and then actually another spare shelf as well. I really like the flooring here, it's really funky as well. And you've got toilet, you've got a bin in there, you've got extra toilet roll. And then I'm just going to shut the door. So on the back of the toilet door, you've got nice hangers there where you could hang your towels or things for going in the shower. Then we've got a shower, but my mum had a shower bath combo, but we've just got a full shower. So the shower head is up here. Oh, we always bring one of these, and it's easy to wash with. You've got your full pull cord, which means that what you do with that is you pull it all the way along and it clicks into here, and then it makes like a cord across and you can hang your swimming costumes and things on it. Then going back to the shower head is here, but the controls aren't here, which I think is really clever. They're here. So you can turn that and get it to the temperature you want to before you actually even get in the shower. Then the stuff that they use here is the Surf and Sand shampoo. You've got Surf and Sand conditioner, and they use a cleansing bath bar. Now, the only thing I didn't like with this brand was the shampoo. I found it very watery, and because my hair's getting a bit longer now, it's quite thick, I had to use quite a bit of it to get it to even lather up into my hair, which I found wasn't very good at all. But like I say, it's just a full, really quite big shower and bath combo. And then you've just got the sliding glass door that slides across. I've got a little towel there as well. So it is a really nice bathroom. But like I said, the only thing is I think that's very tight there with the door. And the shower door, they're really close together. But like I said, it's a nice bathroom. The toilet and the shower is together though, so you can only really have one person in there. And then, they've just stored all the luggage on here now. They've just been and got a luggage rack. But I think that's the end of the room tour now. Like I said, there's storage at the end of this bed as well. So you've got storage at the end of both beds for suitcases. I said you've got a nice fridge, you've got 3 drawers, lovely wardrobe with loads of space in, loads of space here, loads of space around the door, full length mirror, hanger. So I think you've got definitely a lot of storage and a lot of space to put things on. But that's going to end our room tour of the room 1617 in Surfside Endless Summer Resort.